Welcome back everyone, Casey with CX Mods. We've got some really exciting news and it's sitting in front of me. We've been wanting to offer vinyls for quite some time, and we did some research and found there was a company out there already offering vinyls for the RAV4, and they're called Jets Vinyl. They already have a great assortment of vinyls for the RAV4, and we figured we might as well work with them since they've already got it figured out. And not only did we bring in what's in front of me for the RAV4, we're also going to be working with them to offer Corolla Cross vinyls. There's really no one out there at the moment doing that, and since they've got the expertise, we figured we might as well pair up with them and offer you guys what you're looking for. There's a lot of products that they have and assortment of colors, so we'll go over that here in a little bit, but I've got a pile of products that we'll be installing on our RAV4, and I'll go over that now. All right, so these are all the vinyls that we're going to be installing on our RAV4, and we'll do individual videos for each one, just in case you're not interested in all of them. But I will start with the front end, and the first thing we have here is a smoked emblem overlay, just to kind of give a more sleek look. And you'll notice a common theme with what we're going for, which is kind of a smoked, blacked out look with our RAV4. We also have fog light overlays, and we also offer two sizes because the fog lights were different sizes on different models. So we offer smoked overlays and yellow, and we offer them in both sizes, new and old fog lights. So just keep an eye out on that when you order those, because there is a size difference there. Next is a DRL overlay. Now this is going to cover the upper portion of the headlight where the DRL's at. We offer a smoked version, which we're going to be putting on our car. And then also it's going to be a yellow version like the fog light overlay that I just showed you. I was kind of in between which one to go with, but I figured we'd just keep going with the smoked look that we're going for, because we've got photos on the website of what the yellow looks like, and it's pretty cool. So take a look. It is a hard decision. And the next product is going to be sport accent for the front bumper. This goes around like the fog light housing. It kind of hugs that and just accents the body lines a little bit more. So we have those that we're going to put on, and that's going to be everything for the front end. And then for the side, we offer I'm not going to unravel it because it's just a long, thin piece of vinyl, but the biggest complaint most people have with the RAV4 is just the chrome around the window trim. So Jets Vinyl came up with or designed a vinyl that goes over that. We offer a matte version, a premium matte, and then a gloss. So there'll be a few options there depending on what you're looking for. That's all for the side. And then for the back, this is going to be third brake light overlay. And then we have taillight overlays where the reverse lights are. So that'll cover up like the white portion of the tail light. This is going to be a dark smoke. We also offer a light smoke, and then we'll offer a red too if you just want like a full red tail light. And that should be everything we offer. So I'm hoping to get to installing these in like the next week. I have a bit of a hectic schedule, but I'll do what I can to get these on the vehicle so you know what they look like and have an idea of the install on that as well. That should be everything for now, and I have a big update for the Corolla Cross crowd, which I'll go over now. Alright, so here it is. It should be pretty self-explanatory. We've got fitted floor mats for the Corolla Cross, and the thing I like about these compared to what's out there is that the edge on the sides comes up to where that little kick panel where you hit your foot a lot gets covered by this, and it's just be a lot easier to clean off when you be able to take this out and spray it down. It's a really durable material, waterproof, and retains the clips on the front. And on the passenger side, you can see that it's got that little built-up wall as well, so that's kind of nice. And then there's a little recessed spot here where they provided little Corolla Cross badges. So it's a nice little touch that those will just tape in there. And then these come in as a set, so there's also an option for the rear. I sourced these as a front and rear set, so that's how I'm going to try and sell them. Depending on interest, if you guys are looking for just fronts, I'll probably look into making an option for front and then the rear separate, or vice versa if you just wanted the rear. But let me know on that. I'll set it up as a set, and then if I get some feedback, I can change the product page there. And that should be it for these. One big thing as well, these are not going to fit hybrid models. So this is for gas models only. So keep that in mind. With that being said, we'll put these in the car and just kind of show you how they look. So this is the driver front floor mat installed. As you can see, this comes up here. And then you also have your fuel door cut out. So overall fits really good. It's nice fitted. And then it goes up on towards the seat as well. So we'll go to the other side. This is the passenger side front floor mat. And on this one, just the way these are shipped, they might sit a little off initially, but you could probably heat them up and get them to fit a little better. This just is flared in, just the way they're stacked. And then this little spot here, I'll probably hit that with a hair dryer. But overall, the fit is good on the front passenger. So now we'll go to the rear. So here is the rear. So like the fronts, the sides go up, which is really nice. And then since this is full length, it goes over the center, kind of molds around the seat brackets. So there you are. All right, so that's all the updates with products that we have at the moment. If you guys ever see any vinyls or can think of anything product-wise that we don't offer or that Jets Vinyls doesn't offer, let us know. We can work on that if there's interest there. I will try and update you guys on the Corolla Cross release for vinyls with that. And then as far as the floor mats go, let me know if there's some interest in just the fronts or them split, and then I can alter the product page to offer them to be purchased separately. Otherwise, we'll be releasing more products as they come. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. Thanks for watching, and we're really excited for this partnership with Jets Vinyl.